2007 DAIHATSU HIJET, and this is the jumbo model, so it's got a little bit more room, like a more of an extended cab version. And it's 4-wheel drive, little Japanese mini truck. All 4 brand new all-season tires. This one's got power windows. It also has the automatic transmission with air conditioning, push button, 4-wheel drive. It also has power door locks as well with a keyless entry remote. And then with the jumbo, it's got the little bit more room. And for mileage, it has 83,184 kilometers. Inside and out, it's in great condition. You can view this DAIHATSU HIJET Jumbo 4x4 mini truck at KOLENBERG Motors at 3537 Cowshan Lake Road in Duncan.